Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch The One II speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working for any reason, like it's not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or it's not connecting to your phone or other device. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason where you want to delete the pairing history, clear the settings so that you can set this speaker up basically like it's a brand new speaker. If you got a new phone or you're getting a used one or whatever, a factory reset will allow you to do this. Now, all we need to do on this speaker in order to do this is we're going to go ahead on our phones or devices and make sure we've deleted it off of them and forget this speaker as a previous pairing. And we're just going to come in and we're going to hold this switch up in the up position, and the source selector button, we're going to push it down. We're going to hold that for at least 10 seconds. After those 10 seconds, the factory reset will take place, and then you can go ahead and set this speaker up like a brand new speaker.